Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to show you some great news that we got from OpenAI ChatGPT, which is basically the new model 4o, which actually has been up to date to the previous one and perform better than the O3 mini, low and high, and the 4.5. But also it outperforms all the other models, which are Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Grok 3, and is on par with Google Gemini 2.5 they just came out. What made very good this model is that basically it is faster, it maintains the speed, it also allow you to use all the tooling that it has, which are the search, the deep search, the create images, and the Canva, while having the best model. We will basically, to see this model, we will see compared with Grok 3, Google Gemini. First of all, you can see from the leaderboard that the Model 4o is just after the Gemini 2.5. It got a very high score, as you can see, and it speaks for itself for how good this is. And we can see that Grok 3 is just the third. We can see the 4.5 come after, and all the other models. And we probably don't see the new model of DeepSeek, which should be somewhere near, probably it's not up to date yet in that sense. I'm expecting actually to see the new DeepSeek V3 model that came out just a few days ago. By the way, let's go into trying this model. So first of all, we will do that creating an image. So as you know, OpenAI also made available the possibility to create very, very good images now with AI. Actually, I use this feature a lot to create a thumbnail for YouTube videos. Basically, you can add your own image, let's say, even though probably it should improve the way it choose it create the images, because I noticed that I put my image and it didn't create the correct version of it. So let's say to create a thumbnail about me requesting career coaching services to people that want to find a job in tech in the tech industry. Let's see how it behaves. In the meantime, let's see what Gemini can do with the 2.0. I'm not sure the 2.0 has the feature of to create images, but let's try to do the same, exactly the same thing. Let's take the same image, and the file is not supported, we can see. Probably let's try with a different model. We uploaded the same image, and let's see what it can do. And what else? Grok 3, and we write the same thing. It has an option to edit images. Interesting. Let's try just to ask like that. We can see that Gemini it actually doesn't do that. Grok 3 is doing it. And yes, you can see that we received the thumbnail that probably is not the same size of YouTube video. We can see the video actually is not really me, somebody that seemed like me. And sometimes that's a good thumbnail. Some other time it could do definitely better. But it's interesting. It write the text. It doesn't make any more mistakes on the text as it was doing before, which is something already fantastic. Grok 3 it actually made a bit less mistakes on the image. Actually, image looks more like me, even though, and actually it is interesting that it changed the background. It feels like it edited the image. Let's ask to change to futuristic city, and let's ask ChatGPT to do that. Change the background with a futuristic city. And let's see the result. And let's also see here. Oh, it feels like it changed also the position of the eyes. And I can see some aliens or something. Let me know what you think those are. I don't understand, but it's editing the image. I can also click to edit and write a prompt about the image. Give me long hairs. Let's see what it will do. I reached the limit and I need to get a premium to continue. Let's continue with the ChatGPT, which we already have the testing. We have already the premium version. By the way, I like the image background. I'm not definitely it makes someone that is not me, someone similar to me, though good enough to be a thumbnail probably. If I, probably I should specify this should be a thumbnail for a YouTube video format. Maybe I simply didn't specify this. If I specify this, maybe it will work. But this was to understand how it works. Next thing, we will ask to create a to-do list app with the best possible UI. And let's see what will come out. Let's do that. The only thing is that with Gemini 2.5, we cannot see it right away with speed. We can see the way it thinks. But anyway, we can ask to create a to-do application with best UI UX possible. And let's copy this to Gemini 2.5 to see how it reasons. Let's do that to Grok. Hopefully it will allow me to do that with the think option. And let's do the same. By the way, it changed my face. I'm someone even different than before. The thumbnail format didn't change though. That probably. Let's ask this other question. And let's compare with, we can see that Gemini 2.5 is actually very fast, even though it gave me a summary. I actually want, please build and show it to me. I don't think it will do it, but let's compare the way it give the answer. You can see, evaluate for yourself if that is satisfactory and enough. By the way, the same Grok 3 gave the same, gave it like an architectural structure of the application we want to build. Instead, we can see that ChatGPT is actually building the app itself right away. And let's see how it looks. Oh, it built it to do one. The best UI possible probably is it's actually very minimalistic, this one. But by the way, I believe is enough to get an understanding on how it reason. We can see that with the Gemini is taking a more cautious procedural aspect for the application before even building it. Task interaction, it definitely, well, it didn't start to build it even though I asked to do that. And same thing did Grok. Well, I shouldn't judge it because probably I didn't ask to write the code. Write the code and show the app to me. Let's just write that to both and see what it will respond. By the way, I noticed that ChatGPT-4o is quite on point in the way it gives the answer. It already built the app. It read my mind. It probably didn't give me the architectural and the feature requirement before even building the app like that it did. Probably is a choice wanted, but it's definitely interesting to see. We can see how Grok actually think fast. We can see that now Gemini, it wrote the code. It doesn't have the feature right now that allow to to preview the code. Grok is still going after 1 minute 20 seconds. By the way, I just logged in to my Gemini 2.5 advanced account, and we'll ask the same question to build a to-do application with best UI UX possible. You can see that here actually we have now the option Canva, so you can build application with this and probably show the code. So let's see what it will respond. Let's move back to Grok and see what it gave me. It gave me the code. It doesn't have the Canva feature like the other application, which probably it set it aside right now as a competitor. It doesn't have a tool which now every other AI has at this point. And look here, why it is building it, and it gave me the UI, which is fantastic. The only thing, this button doesn't have a text, which could be better, definitely. The button does not have text. Let's see what it does, if it how it modifies it. But the application looks great. The to-do list, I'm quite impressed. Actually, I can ask also Claude to do the same thing, build a to-do list app with best UI UX possible. Well, 3.7 has been actually the best AI recently, but it didn't last long, considering that we have immediately after the new upgrade of ChatGPT and also the new upgrade of Gemini 2.5. But let's see how it behaves to compare all the other models. So we have a panoramic of what we can make a judgment based on few prompts. It's interesting the way it is showing here this icon. This is something definitely different. It changed the UI, Claude. It seems it's building some big application. This is interesting. Add a new task. Oh, interesting. Seems the most complete version. To do one. Also the priority that can be changed. The date picker and test add. You can modify, you can put to done, and you can modify and save and delete. Create a date. You can also filter. Interesting. Well, actually, it gave me the best answer probably. Well, that's it from today. What do you think? Which one won this race based on these simple prompts? To you, the judgment. Let me know in the comment which LLM right now seems to be the best behaving for those questions. Put a like and subscribe the channel if you wish to have more content like this, and see you in the next video.